Hi members, great to see you. I have to put this in the car bracket because I have a members call in about 13 minutes. So I wouldn't normally do this, but I just wanted to get this Facebook Live done. It's day 27 of the health and wellbeing journey. I've just burnt 491 calories. So again, I want to equal or beat my target each and every time I hit the walking machine. So I've progressively moved up, and I think I was 471 calories the other day, and now 491. So I did really well. So I think I can hit the 500. So that's really the goal, 500 calories. So I wanted to very quickly talk to you about going back through the modules. Now, for anyone that is thinking about SFMDEA, and for anyone that's already in SFMDEA, regardless of how long you've been in the program, it's advisable to go back through those modules. Now there are, did you see me having to look left and right again? I have to do that because I'm on the opposite side of the road. So I just have to make sure, it's a bit like when you're in a foreign country and you have to stand on the sidewalk and just make sure, because back home, you look to the left, look to the right, look to the left again. But here it's the opposite thing. So you just have to be very conscious and aware, and just make sure that, there are no cars coming in the opposite direction. So that's a very important thing. I know there's people on, but I can't address because I haven't got my glasses on. But so anyway, it's very important to go back through those modules, SFMDEA. Why is it important to do that? Because there is a lot of language that is being delivered by Stuart Ross. Stuart's incredible to listen to anyway, but the language that he delivers and he talks about with respect to the training is very important, because it helps you with your own language when you're going out and you're delivering the program, or you're going out and you're talking to people about it, or in your marketing messages and your videos. It just seeps into the subconscious mind, the language that Stuart's using with respect to the program, and the learning as well. And his vision for the organisation, you absorb that vision as well. So it is really, really important. Module 1, I've just started going through, and it's incredible. It really is. And it's just good. Any marketer at any level would be advised to go back through those training modules. So I think every time that I'm at the gym now, I will go in and listen to them, because sometimes we put it off because we've got so many other activities going on. We're working on the business, and so you've got to find that time, whether it be in the car, whether it's driving around, whether it's at the gym, find that time to be going back through those modules. That's my share today, and thanks for those that are on this call, and I'll check in with you all again tomorrow. Do you see somebody beeping me then? I couldn't turn left. Isn't that incredible? So people's impatience levels, they just can't wait for people. It's incredible. So it just shows you, people rushed, people stressed. There's people everywhere out there that have just got to be somewhere. And we're all about changing that, right? We're all about leading your lifestyle. We're all about changing the way people think and the way they act throughout their day. Anyway, valuable share. That's my share, and I'll check in with you guys again tomorrow. Bye. Day 27, health and wellbeing journey. Bye, everyone.